Welcome to Newmark Homes in Cross Creek West. This highly anticipated master plan community by Johnson Development is at 359 just south of Jordan Road in Fulshear, Texas. This perfectly located gem is just 3 minutes away from 1093 and less than 7 minutes away from I-10. Fulshear was recently rated the second safest city in Texas. Take this in combination with the short drive times, scenic views, and small town feel that Fulshear has to offer, and we have a winner. I encourage you to stop out on a Saturday morning to visit the local farmers market, enjoy breakfast at the Essence Cafe, and to stop by for some Texas barbecue at Dozier's. Things like National Night Out and music on the patio at the Italian Made Cafe are also fun ways to experience what the local community has to offer. Newmark Homes is featured in the popular 50-foot Artisan Series with plans in the 2,200 to 3,000 square foot range. We offer high curb appeal, modern and traditional elevations, along with one of the industry-leading standard features offerings. This includes things such as spray foam insulation, tankless hot water heaters, full sprinkler systems, and full gutters. I've been a Newmark homeowner in the sister community, Cross Creek Ranch, over the past 4 years. My family has nothing but great things to say about the area, and we'd like to personally welcome you home. Both communities have shared access to the state-of-the-art amenities. There's a planned on-site elementary school coming in the near future. The upcoming amenity center is on track to be completed in summer of 2023. Cross Creek West will also have the calming views, natural landscapes, and abundance of walking trails sprawled out over the 1,250 acres. I look forward to helping you and your family find and build your dream home.